January 20th, 2021 Daily Math Review. Number 1, Miguel got an 86 out of 100 on his math test. So that's important to know, 86 out of 100. What is the percent that Miguel got on his math test? All right, so if you have 86 out of 100, that's going to be just 86%. 86%. That's it for that one. All right, let's take a look at the next one. Jenny packed 100 eggs in 9 cartons. How many eggs are in 1 carton? So if you have 100 eggs in 9 cartons, so I have 100 eggs in 9 cartons. We need to figure out how many we're going to have in 1 carton. So all we're going to do is divide. Remember last week we were just dividing. So all we're going to do is divide. So we have 100 divided by 9. Oh, I'm sorry, 108. My bad. That was my fault. 108 divided by 9. My bad. It's because there's 108 cartons. All right, divided by 9. Perfect. All right, so 9 can go into 10 one time. 9 times 1 is 9. Subtract. We get 1. Bring down that 8. 9 can go into 18 2 times. 9 times 2 is 18. Subtract, we get 0. No remainders, nothing left over. So our answer is going to be 12 eggs in 1 carton. So all we did was divide. That's all we did. So our answer is going to be 12 eggs. Let's do it here. 12 eggs in 1 carton. And you can put that in your answer box. I'm going to put it over here on the side just so we can see. All right, and that's going to be it for our DMR. Great job.